Ladies and gentlemen, in this motion, I from the opposition team, I disagree with this motion that this House prefers the strategy of pushing for institutional reform to address police abuse and misconduct rather than defunding the police. In here, I have two arguments that I'm gonna deliver. The first one, defunding the police will be more justifiable, and the second one, defunding the police is more effective. Before I go to my argument, I will rebut the first speaker from the affirmative team. The affirmative team said about the George Floyd case. They say also about another case, and they say this is totally the police fault because they do the brutality of the police. Well, I believe that every criminalism it's not totally the police fault, because if criminalism happen, it's something like cause and effect. Because the criminalism can happen, it's not because of the fault of the police, but it can be also the fault of the society or the citizen. So I believe that this case cannot be the example for this motion, because we cannot blame totally to the police. Maybe the police have a mistake, but it doesn't mean that they did the criminalism happen. And I'm going to my first argument about defunding the police will be more justifiable. Well, we know that in this problem, this is happening to the police. So if we want to fix the police problem in here, that's about the abuse the power or something like that, we should fix it on the police, not just think how about to make a new constitutional to reform this. We should think how to fix this system to make the police will be better. And I believe that if we just think to make a new constitutional, it can make the police more professional, but it doesn't mean that make the criminalism decrease. So it means that we just make the police case clear, but we doesn't make the criminalism case clear. So we just make one of the problems solved, but another problem is not solved, which is the problem is the cause of the one problem. And in here I will say about the professionality of the police is not mentioned on the amount of the faults. It means that if the police got a bigger fault than another police, it doesn't mean that this police is more have the good quality. It means that if we want to make the police to get a good professionality, we should change the system and make this police to do the refunding the police is better, because we know that defunding the police could help many people that needed the fund more than the police one. And my second argument is about defunding the police is more effective. Well, we know that the police have so much fund and everything that's so much, I believe that it just cannot bring the good things. I believe that if the police got so much fund, so they have too much money, and they think that if they have too much money, I believe that they think that they have a big power and they have a big authority. That's why the police maybe did the brutality, because they think that they should solve this problem faster, and they should do this without they think about the citizen, because they think that they have a big power and big authority. Well, I believe that if we did the defunding the police, it makes the police think twice about before they act. It means that the police think that they didn't have the big authority or the big power anymore. They think about they still have to respect the citizen right. It means that the police will think twice before they act, and I believe that this can decrease the brutality. And before that, I would say about the cause of the criminalism. That criminalism is happening not all from the police of the brutality, but the police in here just the person or the actor that try to solve the problem, try to make this problem clear. And we should know what the cause of the criminalism in here. The criminalism in Indonesia mostly because of the poverty. And the poverty condition, this is first the person that didn't want to do the bad things, did the bad things because they want to survive their life. And for example, this family is in the poverty condition. They really need to eat, they really need to drink, they really need to survive their life, but they didn't have money. So the people in this family would think that, I should did the criminality, I should steal the expensive things in this family. They did the criminalism because something that pushed them to did it, because this condition. So when we make this refunding the police, it will have the poverty people in the poverty condition. It means that this refunding the the police we could give for the education, for the property family, or for healthy, which is we know the healthy is something that important in here now. We know that this is on the pandemic condition, which is everyone scared about everything in this world. They scared about the virus, something like that, and we need so much fund in here, but we didn't have too much money for solve it. And the police fund, if we refunding the police, it can be one of the solution to fix the problem. The problem that will be solved, it's not just about the police, it's not just about the criminalism, but I believe that if we defunding the police, it could give so many advantage, and we could solve so many cases in the world, not just only about the police, not just only about the criminalism, but we also can solve the problem that happened in the people that in the poverty condition, or people for need fund for their education, or people that need the help for the in the health hospital that need more fund. And we can know from this, the 1,000 people will be saved, and they can survive their life. The people that in the poverty condition, when they get the fund from the police, they will think that so the people has been helped me, so that's why I should think the best way for me to get money, not from do the bad things, but I will do the good things to get the money. So they will think that the government has been give something to fulfill their right, fulfill their own right. So they would think that I should do the good things to make the government didn't regret to do this. They would think twice before they do the criminalism. And I believe that the criminalism will be decreased, and the police case will also decrease, because this is solution can solve it so many sides, not just only for the police, not just only the criminalism. That's why I believe that if we defunding the police, it's one of the best solution to solve this problem. And I believe that if we just think about to make a new constitutional reform, like I said before, the new constitutional just care about the police, but they didn't solve the problem that happened in the citizen. They didn't solve the problem, the poverty that caused this criminalism. So that's why I believe that if we just make the new constitutional, it cannot solve the problem in here. The problem in here is caused of the criminalism, and the criminalism is caused of the poverty. So they just can solve the police problem, but they cannot solve the cause of the criminalism problem that make the police did the bad things to them. So that's why I'm from the opposition team. I disagree with this motion that this House prefer the strategy of pushing the institutional reform to address police abuse misconduct rather than defunding the police. Thank you for your attention.